Tell us a little bit about your origin story.
We have been open now 8 months. I started to pay for my domain name, ilovegoodnessgracious.com, in 2011.
That's a long time from now.
I know. And I just had the dream of opening a restaurant. There were many times I did not know how I was going to pay for that domain name, and I still did, because I just couldn't let it go. It finally came to fruition in Carmel because I went to my first concert in the park, and I was just elated to have such a luxury in my world. So I thought it was really special, so I made a picnic. And that's when I had the concept of making picnics, being a picnic curator. And that's really how it started.
What I find fascinating and fun about small business is all the little touches that the owner puts in to the business. And I look around this space, and your personality and your family is everywhere.
My storage unit is finally empty, and my house is empty. This type of eclectic, vintage, warm and cozy feeling is my style. It's just very personal. Everything has a story or a reason.
And you feel that when you're in here.
Yeah.
So I've heard about your food legacy.
I love to talk about food. I love to know, what did you have growing up? So I started to create what's called a food legacy. We have people submit a recipe, and then we will make that dish, and it'll be a feature at our restaurant. So
That's so special. Nobody else is doing this. And I think that's so neat to have this right in Carmel.
yes.
And so I commend you for telling those stories through the ages as well. Highlighting the dishes that those recipes were served on, it's super special.
And it's really special for the families. My mom had Alzheimer's, and so when she went into memory care, one of the things that she lost was her ability to cook. You just want to celebrate that person in some sort of way. The response is, it's so emotional.
I bet it is.
Yeah, it's really, really special.
So we always like to ask people what their big dream was in opening their store or their mission. What is it for you?
I would say that my dream would be that this restaurant, of course, outlives me, but is here for generations to come.
I love that, especially given how you're using amazing stories in your everyday preparation of food. Toby, thank you so much for taking time with us today and telling your story. So we're so glad you're here, and best of luck for the future.
Thank you.